Welcome to my game development stream. First I'm gonna start everything, then we look at the current state of the game and then gonna decide what I wanna do today. Starting always takes a few seconds. I'm waiting for, well, there's something also terminal to get visible. Yep. This is the start command for my development environment. And one more line, or two or three. Oh, it's started. So this is my current game. I am the guy in the middle. I can run around. There are enemies. If the enemies touches the swords, I die. And if I kill enough enemies, I get a level up to upgrade something about my character. So here, second sword, for example. Now I get a score, which is the distance further away from the middle I am. So running to the middle, use distance, running away, increases my distance value, which will be the score. In the end, it's currently a high score game. And let's do another sword, sword speed, makes it rotate fast and so on. If an enemy touches me, I lose HP, and if my HP reaches 0, I die. That's it. And I get random characters when I start. Currently I have a shooting one and a sword one. And that's all relevant information. So let's look. Game task. App wrong on multiplayer connect. I fixed that last time. I think I get it. So if I connect, I get it. When I disconnect, am I disconnected? Close, it's still there, so disconnect. Something seems to be off about the disconnect or the ping display. Their input. First, a small bug fix today. P. WebSocket close. Closed WebSocket. Something doesn't add up yet for me. I test if it's null. It's null, I send multiplayer. Does the painter do? Test of my client ID. Interesting. I'm not sure why. It's not null. No, it's only one socket. This was. This is, let's try it. I connect. Doesn't work. Ah, connection failed. Okay. This works. If I connect, my ping is there, and if I disconnect, it's gone. Now he shows a ping, although I'm not even the player. I think if I disconnect, I'm no longer client ID -1, so do it this way. Connect. Okay, seems to be no correct indication. So this is a small bug fix. Ping. Let's call it this. Oh, what task I want to do? The character size change. I have to think about another time, I would say. I want to do some redesign. Abilities instead of character abilities instead of character classes. It's basically so his idea is I can also give a slime enemy a sword or shoot ability. I could have two abilities on my character that he can shoot and have a sword at the same time. This is currently not possible with my code design. Code redesign. Nice. This is what I want to do today. It would be another task. Some task of my technical maybe. I think I have fixed this in the past. I found this. This was a set timer that is not displayed very well in performance metrics. I also have some. I have an idea for another task. Display time measures on screen to be able determine where game slowdowns come from. Can also here make a simple menu enable disable stuff in game, not per code. And task. This is something I have. Can delete it. So I have tried different, but for multiplayer I need a real user someday to see a real world example, not my simulation types. E1 controls. Okay. Okay, yes. Makes the game look decent. It's okay now. Still deploying to a server. It was soon. Actually setting same enemy every tick. It's a lot of things which happen every tick which could be improved, but now it's okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. It's true, but it's a good test case for bad connections. I think it's I have automated tests. Very simple one. Do I delete it? Okay, and this is also a topic for much later. If I ever deploy, it might be relevant. Deploy to a server, public server. So I have task, code redesign. I have to think a bit. I have here my characters. Currently, so I start with a new folder, abilities. I never called them by their plural. Let's call it ability. And you would have a usable part of a class. T should I, and I would have, for example, shoot. I call it ability shoot ability. Do I have? Did I do it with a character? Leveling character. I ability shoot. If I name it first, I can searching works in both direction. Ability shoot. Well, the naming is. Let's keep it at that. Let's try to get all the shoot stuff over. Shooter. So this is important. Ability shoot. It's no longer a character class, but shoot type ability shoot. I will definitely need to export it. Create shooter class. Let's make function create default ability shoot. Turn this thing by this, and I can put in this value. Oops. Shot time is 0. Pierce count will shot time to live. Okay, these are values I need. Multi shot. Slightly export it. Now tick shoot character. Let's see. This is all for the shooting ability. What function? Tick shoot ability. I have ability shoot. I change the properties. I have the shoot class. Not shoot class, shoot method. I need the leveling character. There's no projectile. And properties I will genuine to ability. And it's game time with seed. I use the game. Should I use every? So the tick is something general, so I always did pass the game in. So I need default. The easiest is the game. Let's see, do I need more? Shooter upgrades. Eight. And this is not related to shooting. Where the damage is. I get the damage into shoot. If yes, I need damage number. Damage. Probably to change it later. And there's something which confuses me. I always, the whole upgrade system needs to change if I do this. And the upgrade is also only relevant for leveling characters. But this is an ability which a leveling character can have. It needs upgrades. Okay. Keep it broken for now. Let's look, do I need more? Ticking, no. For now it's good. Stability sword. Character class. Ability sword. To make the same order. Next, create ability. Also in a Lul. Can you see this as inputs? Oops, wrong position. Yep. Can turn. Say type. This word. Don't need this. Let's pass in some default file. I won't. Okay. Be done. And next is the tick. Oh, and this is also image. Then let's the image in here. Oops. Call it, give it here. And these words, don't know if they will be relevant. I'm missing the ability name, maybe. Type is not enough to know what it is. Let's do it. The type ability, and this has a name string. Was this this way? Name. Should. Is sword. Okay. Sword. What did I use this? Sword. Distance. Okay, I misspelled it. Name. Sword. Distance. Distance. Voila. I also need it in my ability. Most likely. See. Create bigger sword image. With the image stuff. Draw sword. Have to think. For now, I just copy it. Text to character head. More or less, I need everything. First, we start with create bigger sword. The word sword here. There are already 2 places. Better to create. Didn't I do it here? I had. Okay, I never renamed it and used it. Gone. Ability sword. Name. Have here the sword. Here's the sword. And here's the sword. It's the image. All missing imports. This is to be changed where the ability comes from. called it raw, but I usually say paint, I think. I should change it. Paint word. See if I can stuff. And speed are not word related, so the rest is. Value I not yet use. I have to first decide whether I change everything to work with it. So my character needs abilities. There's a lot of paint stuff, but refactoring is another day. So abilities. Ability array, maybe? Let's try this. I now have abilities. Or I can have abilities. And if I create a character, let's say I start with an empty array of abilities. Small, okay. Does that solve everything? Our character has potentially a lot of abilities. Is this enough? Probably. Let's see. Its ability should upgrade options. String to upgrade option. It's always for leveling character. but it has to be related to an ability. Upgrade option. So but its ability shoot. Doesn't he know upgrade options? He doesn't accept this. Let's go to upgrades. But I'm unsure I have them. This one's a leveling character. Ability. Ability. I have no idea if this will work out. But let's try it now. He doesn't like the shoot part. Say let's as equals ability shoot. Does he accept this? Write it correct. This he accepts. Do I do it for all upgrades? Let's I think it's still short enough for a single letter variable. Again. No, don't. The shoot class would be fixed, but what else is broken now? A lot. Then I will try to fix this word. String to upgrade options. String. It's not used yet. Let's see what happens. How often did I use this shoot word here? In a string? Just once, okay. Create Pegasus word. I think this still works. Paints word. Have a character. I will use needs ability. Let's do it like this. Ability's word is correct. And no, this is wrong. I have my ability. Place all properties. It's a character, yes. Okay. Tick. Did I rename it? Paints word. Abilities word. Tick ability word. Do not check for someone is dead. I want again the ability, the parameter. Do not need to pull this. The move is not thread related. I change the angle of this word and then I detect hit. I think the 14 was the width which I no longer used. But for now. Create third upgrade options. Ability. Oh, do I always hit the N? Let ability third. And this can be deleted. Okay. Text third to character hit. Third width is something I do not use. I also why does it need to be a leveling character? Don't think it's required. Text third to character hit. Most likely be, but these will be no longer a leveling character. I will need the ability. Here's a problem. I need the ability. Okay. Let's put the ability in here. Seems to work for now. And now what do I do with these classes? They need to work a little bit differently. They don't need just the create character. I think I will need. Also, so random upgrade option will be based on the abilities I give to someone. Same for default upgrade options. Upgrade leveling character is always. Is it the same? I think yes. Tick. Do not think I have something special for ticking. Basically move the shooting. Testing there's nothing special. Maybe all ability related. This is my ability now. Character class properties. Character class. I do not know if this will be relevant. I think it can be deleted. Leveling character model. Should I delete these two? At least for now, I think I no longer need them. I will remove them. Somehow no problems here. Oops, these two no longer exist. These two no longer exist. Tick shooter character. There will no longer be a specific ticking. Will no longer be upgrades. Can get them on the history. The shoot is also ability relevant now. Leveling character classes. Do I need them? Maybe. I only need the create function. Change this file, but it doesn't display a... Well, so wait, I also can delete a lot of dependencies. So, character point abilities push. And now here I would add create ability, or I didn't rename the shoot. I will make a default one. With ability shoot is ability third. That's all. Shoot, I don't use this word anywhere. But here. I will put it in here. Just a create function. Well, I will look later how I improve stuff. Create third character. This classing is no longer relevant. This character class and properties not relevant. Character abilities push. Here we create abilities word. Yes. I should no longer need this, no this, no this, this. Text word to character, so not also not much left. This is no longer in here. Can also delete a lot of the stuff. Leveling character is broken. See. Don't jump too much. We'll random upgrade options. This has now to work differently. Let's see what's easier first. Create default upgrade options. All upgrade options. Unsure. Upgrade leveling character. Probably the upgrade character. Let's see what happens. I'm unsure. Leveling itself, it's not good. Okay, he just likes it. Now this is just duplicate. So upgrade. This can just be the function here. Change anything. Does it? Leveling character. This were broken down here. So, nothing spectacular. Let's remove this. These two no longer exist. Upgrade once an ability. Upgrade process needs to be changed. I need to change this all before I just upgrade character. Now I upgrade is ability related, so it will not work together. Tick player character. By player, it's leveling character. I will rename it. This that keeps being the same. The moving needs to happen in here. I already changed them. Let's see. I think the shooter is a bit shorter. Oh. Yes, it's just the moving. character tick. Character, no. Egg. G index. No ability in character abilities. Is in the correct word? I already forgot. Let's just JavaScript or in or array of array 1 ABC. Okay, in is correct. It's off. Ability. No. Ability has a name, and for every ability I need to know how to tick it. Let's think. I cannot have it in I can same I did thing. The leveling character class. I probably can delete them later. I think I do not need them in here. So what I had was this. Let's take this as a starting idea. Ability is should we name it ability? No, like this. Ability functions. This might work. Ability function. This is abilities function. So I to think, what do I need? The tick ability. First one I need, and it needs this. That tick ability or not ability, shoot ability. Go away. Still looking strange here, but I think I wanted to steal from game. Ability functions. Empty. So this will be the name. Then I get the functions for the name. Woodwork. Now can. Did I do it? It's this function. Ability. Push. Now I can ability name equals shoot. Const. Still it's not a push. It seems that it's this way. And she should cannot find thing. No, we should say it's missing something, yes. Tick ability. It's to have the ability probably. Oh, here it's can I do something silly in here? No. Don't think I can do this. Oh, he likes it. I'm not quite sure. Oh no, let's do types and consts. I have let me do it this way. Did I do it correct? Tick ability shoot. Tick ability sword. Again, doesn't like it. Ability sword equals ability as sword. It should work. Hopefully. Still doesn't like it. I think I did not change this. I didn't remove this part. Oh, he likes it. It's getting complicated. I was here. Now I have the ability functions. Ability name. Dot. It doesn't know this thing. Tick ability and tick ability needs. Character. The ability game. Or every ability ticks. And see what's broken in here. Tick player character. X now. I renamed it. Tick leveling character. It still looks strange in here, but I slowly need to get to working version. So now the upgrade stuff. Could be transferred to abilities, the logic. Wait, word upgrade options. They are always for an ability. The order of how stuff happened. So if my character levels up, I fill random upgrade options. Or I level up and I still have skill points. I fill the random upgrade options. So the level up is no problem. Then I fill random upgrade options and I filled them based on the character class fill random upgrade options method. Oh, I can have multiple abilities which have upgrades. I will have upgrades for my leveling character. Okay, I also lost the upgrades for my leveling character. Should get them back. Speed and HP. Let's throw them in here somewhere. Create character upgrades, leveling character upgrade options. And the upgrade option is now for character, not for an ability. But he doesn't like this. It's now not compatible. Upgrade options for different things. If I fill random upgrade options, does it happen? No, creation and filling might be different. Shooting is a simpler one. Create. That's it. I use the create function. No, this is strange. I create a few. Something feels like not adding. Character upgrade options are in the character. Add the upgrade options. If I take one, I get the 3 things. So I have different types of upgrades. I think I redirected to here to fill them. And I give the character class upgrade options. I put all the upgrade options in one object. I had it for the, oh, here's the shooter word, but it's a general. This, or is it already used? Yes. Let's undo it. The upgrade options is some object for multiple classes, and I can pick one. Where does upgrade options come from? Here, create default upgrade options. I make the key, the classes, but now it's no longer class related. Who did use this? Available upgrades. I determine it once. Well, this would still work, but this is something I need to change someday. If I create them each time new, think I need to this time. I will change it up a bit. I throw these out. Something woke. Layer action. Of action. So I turning 0, 1 or 2. Available upgrades. No longer have. Leveling character. Character upgrade options. If the index, I take the name. Then I upgrade. Okay, upgrade is here. It's complicated. And I make it more complicated. I can change it up. Can I? No. The upgrade option needs information. I determine random option, which is basically okay. I reroll until I have an option I not used. Sounds dangerous, but not dangerous, but not perfectly efficient. It works. So all relies on having all upgrades in one object. be character dependent. This does not work. I would say I need to change character upgrade options. Let's see. Character upgrade option. Character. Is it a leveling character? Yes, a leveling character only has upgrade options. Upgrade options is from type string. I'm confused. I have an object of names strings. Why not just an array of strings? Is a string enough to determine what I want to do? For abilities, yes, but for I would probably, so it can be a character upgrade or an ability upgrade. Could I do? This is basically the upgrade name. Update upgrade name. I want upgrade type, character and ability. Let's take it for now. Upgrade type, also string. It's okay, but upgrade is duplicated. It's always upgrade options, type and name. So if it's ability has the name sword. Would I already I have to know which ability upgrade, so I need the name. Ability name. This is only relevant for abilities. And the upgrade name. Something like this. I think this gives all the information I need. If type is ability, this information is not required. I have a could this also do if I do not have an ability name. And I would expect it to be character related. Let's try to think like this. I have upgrade options. I rename this. Because this is some general upgrade options, but the current ones. No. Upgrade options choice is also not better. Feel like I can find a better name for it. Randomized upgrade options. Next upgrade options. No. I keep it like this for now. I have the upgrade options. They start empty on a level up. I want to fill them. And for this, I give in the character random seed. Then character level up. Why do I pass in upgrade options? Find reference. And I have upgrade option. Next is here. Detect character death. I think I know where it comes from, but this is what I deleted. So I no longer have these upgrade options. Definition. No longer have these upgrade options. No longer have these upgrade options. No longer have these upgrade options. And these. Fill options. Random seed is important. Character leveling, character perfect. Now I have to delete this. Fill random upgrade options. And this is character point upgrade options. And for this I have default fill random options. I guess I take this and this can be deleted. I start here with this. And if I have 0 upgrade options, I fill it. Okay. I have set of unused. A set of used upgrade options. Character upward push. Name. Doesn't like name. Type unknown is not assignable to type string. Okay, I have Still some problems. I would guess I do not want duplicated upgrade options. Set of used is strange when I can just fill them in. Maybe I should start new. This does no longer exist. This does also no longer exist. I have to check. I have to push someday. So let's start new. I want 3. I want to get a random one. And if I choose shoot, I get a map. I have to change this up, I think. Still unsure. I could start with, I take the first ability, character point. Well, if I do not have abilities, I could start with leveling character upgrade options. Add options equals. Did I place them in here? No. Yes, I did place them in here. I did not fix them. What do I want to return? Upgrade options, string, upgrade options. I have a name. So I need different types of upgrade option. Upgrade option, character. No, let's copy this. Oops. Ability has upgrade options. It's a type. I will approve it. So upgrade option ability and upgrade options leveling character. I need 2 different ones. So the leveling character one is wrong. I have to rename them T. Move this. I have to think a day probably about it, but let's start with something. Leveling character. Six, and it did not go. Leveling character. Leveling character. Okay. Great options. I do not return it. Oh, he likes it. It's a map. Why a map? Let's make just an array to see. I have a good options. I can push. Did break something? Which awesome. Ah, I see. This is missing. Oh. Something is missing. This is missing. Push. It worked. Now I can. Oh, I will need the seed, so. I have an array, so now I need. I can get them once here. And options. No. Add random index. This would be next random seed. Spawn floor times length the random index based on the option length. I will this for now. I need a name. We will random options random index name. Will push this and then I will options. Is it splice? Random index 1. I think this is it. I put this in if options length 0 I. This should give me my character. Upgrade options, but not my ability upgrade options. And now if my character, why do I have upgrade options here? Let's go the out. Where do I use it? So I have a level up. I want random upgrade options. I fill them. Now I need to press a button. Player inputs. Doesn't like something in here. What's this? What is the function need? Player action. Upgrade leveling character. As the available upgrades no longer exist. So now I have skill points. I get upgrade option based on a character class. I no longer have this. I want to execute this upgrade option. It's commented out. I need a new one. I reduce skill points. I reset the upgrade options. And I try to find new ones. Okay. So I now have character, upgrade options, that upgrades equals, well, I always create them new is not perfect, but and it's not what I want. This is what I want. I think this is out. Remove it for now. Create them. get 2 back. Now I would expect upgrades point. Is it find? Need to make a predicate. The element have the name. The name has to be equals character upgrade options upgrade option index point name. This is gone. Then I can upgrade the character. Okay, would work. The only thing this doesn't, my option is not existence. I do nothing and lose a scale point, but for now it's okay. Game model, to miss 2 things. Okay, create default upgrade option. Options. Let's delete stuff I no longer use. Upgrade options. What is this? I delete and see what happens. Delete it. Character paint. Yes, there is something. Character class, paint weapon. I will need to paint the abilities. I have no errors. What would I expect? This word gets no longer painted. The abilities I do not, can never add them. So it doesn't get the ticks. And I do not use upgrades. Let's just see what happens. Projectile not found. Interesting. Ability shoot. Ability shoot. Projectile. Ah, I see. JS. It's missing. Didn't pay attention to this. Was a new other class. Looking better. So far, so good. Tickability, he doesn't know them. Where did I? in the main I added them. This is not the best, but let's do it for now. Add shootability, add swordability. See, I can run around, but nothing happens. More or less expected. Does stuff die? Kill something. And I get an error. Okay, I want to paint the upgrade options. And I only have 2. I cannot paint the third one. This is interesting. Then for now, where do I leveling character? A splice. Things. It's bigger than 1. I splice it, which must mean I get duplicated choices. So I have no idea if I have gun or a sword. So a gun doesn't work at all. Sword I cannot see. Oh, I have something. Should be enough. Okay, I have 2 skill points. So far, so good. Now let's see. I want to paint the sword. Ability. Paint ability is optional. And comes from the vector model. I have some values. Let's do it, avoid character position. I also need the ability. To import stuff. Again, doesn't add the JS. Now the sword needs the paint. Ability sword. No. Used. And button here. Paint ability is this. He doesn't see it fitting. Character. It looks good. See what he wants. ability and ability are incompatible. Wants to have a sword. Okay. Let ability sword ability is. I think there might exist better versions. Still an error. Still doesn't like it. I didn't. I lost definition. Yeah, sword needs to be gone. Removed. And I changed something else. Text to character it as okay. Let's remove it. I messed up. How did I mess it up? What do I have here? And sword ability as ability sword. Do I have the ability to have just renamed, but no, it's paint ability sword. Okay. Now in character paint, I removed it here, I think. Let's see. After the draw image. The draw image here. For ability in character. It's not in, it's off. Ability name ability functions point paint ability. Then let's paint it. Paint it. Calling it CTX. TX character and ability and camera position. What doesn't he like? Possibly undefined. What is undefined? Check if it exists. Undefined. I think he again wants it to constability functions. This paint ability is not undefined, so he likes it this way. Now I would expect a sword to be painted. First I crash. It doesn't know the image is correct. I push it in here. Sword. Does he try? Game images and sword image. Game images sword. It's a big sword, no longer a small sword. I did not. Change it up. Still won't find, okay. Try. Okay, here's the sword. Let's see. It still seems to work. Now let's see why I do not shoot. Shooter, character, ability shoot. My values. Tick ability shoot. Next shot time. Game state time. I shoot. Let's probably ability. See if I get here. I get here, and if I jump, I shoot. In here. No, I jumped over it. Well, time I should shoot, I'm in here. Step into. I push a projectile. Looks good, basically. Something is off. I created one projectile. And its delete time is in 8 milliseconds. Okay. What did I mess up? Spread. I put in game time. The time to live. Game time plus time to live. Did I up the value? Die shoot. Time to live is 0. This is bad. I think it was a second. So far, so good. Go to the bigger enemy. So, now okay. Leveling character. Now I need to add more upgrade options. I add 3, but this is a character options. Let ability options is ability options. I can throw in all ability options. Okay. Now I need to switch them up. Ability should take it. Ability should upgrade options. No longer a map, but an array. No longer an app. Array. Type equals empty array. Okay. Then I push this. Push this. Push this. Push this. Okay. Now I a new upgrade options, and it needs to be nothing. Is this correct? Wait, ability upgrade options. Ability upgrade options. Paste something up. Like this. Okay. Let's throw it in here too. Word upgrade options. Somehow doesn't color it. What did I mess up? Do I... Okay, I didn't... Wait. Ability. Third upgrade options. Let's rename it. Let's get different type. Let's push it. Can delete this. Let's try to finish this today. And now I have these. I can let ability in character abilities, and in is again what? Set off ability point name, ability functions point, and ability options point push. Something doesn't add up. He likes it. I hope it works. I have now character options and ability options. Can I push them all in one? I think something is still off. The moment no, not this. I had push name. The ability name is something was it the ability name? It doesn't like it. Missing something. Where did I? When I add push, I can say for which ability. Ah, I remember. Okay. So I should not push like this. And it's any, it's not good. Let's make like this. Upgrade options, ability point name is equals and I have to give it a type. Key is to string. Oh, I forgot. Like this. It's nearly perfect. Okay, now he likes it. But I think it should be a string to upgrade option ability. Upgrade ability. Okay, this should work. Now I have to random index roll for, if it's ability, I will roll for at random index. Random index, let's use the random index. Next random, this is no longer options punct length, but it's ability punct length. Does it have a length? Probably not. So it's character abilities length. This is what I would expect. And one for the character options. If random index is 0, I do the character one. So, oh, give me do random seed character options length. Perfect. Character options. And let's do enter and character option 0. Does it work? I roll. The character does not have enough options yet. This is bad. Character option splice. I no longer have splice in here. Is this a good idea? I put in the name so I can splice it out. And I need options, else I go in here. I feel like I should make this case different. This is not perfect, but good enough for now. I do not have options left. I need to improve this code probably someday. Now, before I let the options Billy, let's rename this thing abilities options, and this will be ability options. It will be based on abilities random index point name -1 point name. I have the ability options have a length, disability options, and I need the ability name, which is disability name. This one. Okay. And splice it. Does it work? Get it out. I think it works because it changes the original. Now, if I get in here, if where is it? Character upgrade option. Find ability name. If it exists. Undefined. Undefined. Getting hungry, but let's see. This is the character one, and this will be upgrades. This will be in here. This will be ability functions or character. Let upgrade. 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 Options. Option. Upgrade option is this. Okay. The ability name undefined. Upgrades. I have upgrades, ability function upgrades, and here I get the ability upgrade options. Now I find the upgrade option name, and here I pass in the what do I need here? The ability. Character. Character. Abilities. Find a. Let's do an A for ability. Name equals with option ability name. And I find it. Okay, it doesn't like the undefined part. Understand. If it's not undefined, I can do it. And ability. This could work. Let's see what happens. And I crash. name, character. Here. I go for ability options. "23. Let's see. Debug it. Random index is 3. Ability options. Okay. I will take the 3 and a name. He has something. Ability name. Abilities. Index. The random index is now 3. I changed it. Okay, understood the bug. And it happens here as I get a new random index. Should I ability options? Let ability name this, and I can use it here and let's see. This word and okay, until here it works. Word size and it crashes. Leveling character. Let's go to here. Let's level one time. Speed up. Ability functions. Name. Speed up. No. Not the upgrade option name. It's the ability name. This cannot work. Upgrade option. Ability name. Let's try again. See, is enough. Sword size. Let's kill them for now. Okay. Now ability name is gimme sword. Would exist. I expect this to work. Find now in character abilities. Ability name. Did I find it? If I have ability, I upgrade it. Does it work? It goes. Okay, looks good. Let's sword speed. It works. Okay, let's get the gunner type. multi-shot. Shoot 2. Perfect. Seems to work. For now, and let's do a small test. Random X position respawn enemy. If I create it, enemy abilities point push, create ability sword. And let's see what happens. Nothing. I do not paint abilities for enemies, I think. Character paint. The slime. Oh, yes. Perfect. Character image. It's not relevant. I can move it here. Probably. Let's see. No, every enemy has a sword, but they do not turn. Okay, but base idea works. Let's take the sword away. And I think I can commit. Redesign class to ability. Redesign character class to use ability. Let's take it like this. Push. Let's play one game. And then I will end for today. Multi-shot. I'm low on HP. Somehow let's do damage, speed. But I think the damage goes up. Get a bit of else. I think I need movement speed. Dangerous. Okay. I feel weak. Okay. I feel too weak for the wet. Okay. Now. GHB. Some. I think this word is a lot stronger currently. No, I'm dead. Okay. That works everything for now. Let's end here today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.